Hello everybody, welcome back to Drunken Sailor. Today, it's been on my mind. There's a controversy out there. There's two cocktails that sound very, very similar, but they're different. And today, we are going to show you that they are two different cocktails. The first one is a Blue Hawaii. The second one is Blue Hawaiian. So, let's get pouring. So this cocktail was originated in 1957 by the renowned bartender Harold Yee of the Hawaiian Village on Waikiki Beach. Harry passed away last December at the very ripe age of 104. So today we're making this cocktail in memory of Harry. We're going to start with pineapple juice, and we're going to put 1 ounce, and that's going in our shaker. The next is freshly squeezed lemon juice, and we're going to put 3/4 of an ounce of that in there. Next ingredient, 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And that's just simply 50% sugar, 50% water, and that goes in there. Now we're getting to the good stuff. Vodka. Today we're using Grey Goose, and we're going to use 1 ounce of Grey Goose. Next ingredient is going to be white rum. You can't have a tiki drink without rum. And once again, 1 ounce of that. 3/4 of an ounce of our Blue Curaçao. If you saw the last video we did, or a few videos ago, we made our own Blue Curaçao. 3/4 of an ounce, and that's going in there. Next thing we do is ice up our shaker. We're going to grab our low ball or old-fashioned glass. We're going to put some ice in there, grab a strainer, and for garnish, we're going to put in there a pineapple, a cherry, and an umbrella. And this is Mr. Harold Yee's Blue Hawaii. Cocktail number 2, the Blue Hawaiian. Now, I'd like to say it's got a great history like Harold Yee, but there's nobody like Harry. So let's get right into it. It's very similar to the Blue Hawaii, but this one is got a little bit more coconut into it. It's kind of a riff on the Pina Colada. So we're going to start with 2 ounces of pineapple juice. We are then going to go with 3/4 of an ounce of freshly squeezed lemon juice. As I said, a little bit more coconut in this one, Pina Colada like. 3/4 of an ounce of Creme de Coconut. If you're starting to mix cocktails with this, you want to keep it out of the refrigerator for a while to get it to room temperature. If you come out of if you're taking it out of the refrigerator, it comes out like cement. So you got to let it warm up. Next ingredient in there, Blue Curaçao, 3/4 of an ounce. We're going to put some white rum in there, and we're going to use 1.5 ounces of white rum. We're using Bacardi's Superior. And our final ingredient in there is coconut rum. We're using the Cruisin' rum, 3/4 of an ounce of Cruisin'. We're going to put some ice in the shaker and give this a shake down to cool it. We're going to get our glass. We're going to fill it with ice. And of course, what good is a tiki drink without a tiki glass? Grab our strainer. And because of the creme de coconut in there, you're probably going to see this one a little bit lighter color. We are going to garnish with a pineapple wedge. And while that looks pretty, it doesn't look quite pretty tropical enough. So we are going to take a nice pink flower, put that on top, give it a straw, and there is the Blue Hawaiian. And there's Harry's Blue Hawaii. It's up to you now, folks. Make them and tell me which one you like better.